You guys think of my chair?
I like
What do you guys think?
Is it for
Good?
Leo?
Huh? I built this nice little chair. It's like a stool chair almost. It's got a really low back. So we got walnut, which always looks good finished with Walrus Oil Furniture Finish. I'm actually using 180. I said 150, but 180 will be fine too. I have yet to use the chapstick lip balm, the Logger's hand salve, and the beard oil because I'm working on that. Okay, I'm working on growing my beard this winter. But two products I have used a lot of is the cutting board oil and the wax because I make a lot of cutting boards. Today I'm actually showing off the furniture finish. So this is gonna go on your furniture, this particular oil. The wax is actually in my house. I keep it inside because it gets really hot in the garage. And I don't want the wax liquefying. I want to kind of keep it solid. Whenever I'm gonna finish something like this chair, I'll get a small cup and then I'll get a small rag, which I already tore. And this is like super microfiber, like you're not gonna get no dust or cotton or anything will come off of this. I'll put a little bit in here instead of pouring this onto my piece and potentially wasting some and it dripping over. I'll use this and dip it in there, and I can control how much I put where. So that's the way that I like to do this, and even like cutting board oil and stuff. Actually, I lied. Cutting board oil, I just pour on. For furniture, I'm gonna save it a little bit more, less mess. All right. You guys think of my chair? What do you guys think?
Is it for
Good?
Leo?
No. For me. Alright, so I'm happy with the chair. I have not put wax on it yet. I'm going to do that tomorrow, but just for using the furniture finish oil, I love it. It's 100% plant-based. I had to shut the garage door because neighborhood kids are subscribing to my YouTube channel, which is something you should do. Like, subscribe, comment, click the bell, get notifications, and make sure that you pick up some of this furniture finish and then also the wax. I'm going to leave some links in my description. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the chair. Out. Pastor out. It's not too small. It's going to go in a little desk. I'm actually comfortable in it. I've had some feedback. Had some feedback from people saying it's too creaky. Not really. That this This is too low and 90 degrees. I actually sit like this in my truck, and it's nice to sit like this at a desk as well. So the owner of the company just called me and he said, Steven, how do you like it? And I said, why don't I put together a video? And then he said, good idea. And I said, do that. And he said, get off the phone and do it. And I was like, all right, give me 3 months because I'm slow at doing everything. But now, I don't know if you can see in this light, I'm gonna bring this out in the light in a little bit. But my son, after I got it all nice and sanded to 150, he's got some greasy little fingers. He actually was eating some food, hand, finger oil, food oil, and some spots. So I'm gonna hit that real lightly with some 150.